Welcome to EXACTIX, Sunshine 811's online platform for creating and managing your locate tickets. In this video, you'll learn how to notify a member of your planned excavation or demolition when you see the 2C response code under Member Responses. The full code definition is 2C marked with exceptions, high priority subsurface installation in conflict. We will refer to it as HPSI. HPSIs are underground gas transmission or gas distribution pipelines used to transport gasoline and other hazardous liquids. The 2C code tells you you're within 15 feet of an HPSI and by law are required to provide the planned excavation start date and time before beginning excavation. Not only is this to prevent damages, but it's to protect you, your crew, and the surrounding neighborhood. EXACTIX makes responding easy. Visit my.sunshine811.com and click the box with Create Ticket, Verify Positive Response. You'll be directed to the EXACTIX login page. Enter your username and password and click the Sign In link. Once at the EXACTIX homepage, click Go to Ticket Dashboard. Enter your ticket number in the Filter by Ticket Number field or filter the results on your dashboard. When the ticket is displayed, click the three-dot menu and choose View Responses. A box with the utilities notified, along with the responses, will open. Under Discussions, you'll see a link that says Add Excavation Date next to any member that has responded with 2C marked with exceptions. You are required to enter the planned excavation or demolition start date and time. Click on the Add Excavation Date link. Use the calendar to enter the date and time and click on Save. The date of excavation will show under Discussions. If you need additional help, please visit my.sunshine811.com and click Technical Support. You can also contact one of our ITE support representatives by calling 811 and selecting option 7 from the menu.